Have you ever wondered what secrets lie beneath these icy giants? Sculpted by wind and water, they drift silently across our oceans. Icebergs are vital to our ecosystem, influencing ocean currents and climate. They sustain diverse marine life and are crucial to Earth's balance. Join me to explore their formation, science, and impact of climate change. Our journey begins in the polar regions, where temperatures plummet and icy landscapes stretch as far as the eye can see. It is here, amidst the glaciers and ice shelves, that icebergs are born. Imagine colossal rivers of ice, flowing slowly but relentlessly towards the sea. This dramatic process, known as calving, is the birth of an iceberg. With a thunderous roar, a new iceberg begins its journey across the ocean. The sheer scale of an iceberg is difficult to comprehend until you've witnessed one firsthand. Imagine standing on the deck of a ship, dwarfed by a wall of ice that seems to stretch endlessly in every direction. Some icebergs are so large they are measured in miles, not feet. The largest iceberg ever recorded, known as Iceberg B-15, was larger than the entire island of Jamaica, covering an area of over 4,200 square miles. But it's not just their surface area that's impressive. Icebergs extend far below the waterline, with only a small fraction of their mass visible above the surface. This is often referred to as the tip of the iceberg, a phrase that has entered common language to describe something much larger lurking beneath the surface. The birth of an iceberg is not a gentle process. It is a dramatic, explosive event that reverberates across the frozen landscape. Imagine standing near the edge of a glacier, the air thick with anticipation. Suddenly, a deep groaning sound echoes through the ice, growing louder and more insistent. Cracks begin to appear, spiderwebbing across the glacier's face, widening with alarming speed. Then, with a deafening roar that can be heard for miles, a colossal chunk of ice shears away from the glacier, crashing into the water below. The impact sends massive waves radiating outward, powerful enough to capsize ships and reshape the surrounding coastline. Chapter 4: A World of Shapes and Sizes. The different types of icebergs. Icebergs come in a surprising variety of shapes and sizes, each sculpted by wind, waves, and melting. The most common type is the tabular iceberg, characterized by its flat, table-like top and steep, cliff-like sides. These icebergs originate from ice shelves and can be incredibly large, stretching for miles. Then there are the blocky icebergs, which, as their name suggests, are more compact and angular in shape. Pinnacled icebergs are perhaps the most visually striking, with towering spires and dramatic pointed peaks. These icebergs are formed by uneven melting and erosion, creating fantastical shapes that wouldn't look out of place in a fairy tale. And finally, there are the weathered icebergs, which have been sculpted by wind and water into smooth, rounded shapes. Chapter 5: A Spectrum of Colors. The Science Behind Iceberg Hues. Icebergs can display a surprising range of colors, from deep blues and greens to black and brown stripes. These colors reveal insights into the iceberg's age, composition, and formation. Blue hues are due to light absorption. Sunlight's shorter wavelengths, like blue, are reflected. Green icebergs contain algae. Black stripes are from volcanic ash or sediment. Chapter 6: A Titanic Tale. Historical events involving icebergs. Icebergs, despite their beauty, have played a role in history's most dramatic events. The most famous is the sinking of the RMS Titanic in 1912. This unsinkable ship met its end after colliding with an iceberg. The Titanic disaster highlighted the power of icebergs and led to maritime safety improvements. Chapter 7: Silent Sentinels, Tracking and Monitoring Icebergs. In today's world, technology plays a crucial role in monitoring these silent giants. Satellites orbiting high above the Earth's surface use radar and other sensors to track the movement of icebergs, providing vital information to shipping lanes and coastal communities. Data from these satellites is used to create detailed maps of iceberg distribution, allowing scientists to study their movements and predict their potential paths. This information is crucial for maritime safety, enabling ships to navigate safely around these frozen hazards. In addition to satellites, scientists also use aircraft and buoys to monitor icebergs. Aircraft equipped with specialized cameras and sensors can fly over icebergs, capturing high-resolution images and measuring their size and shape. Chapter 8. A changing landscape. The impact of climate change on icebergs. The Arctic and Antarctic regions are warming faster than anywhere else on Earth. This warming causes icebergs to melt rapidly. Melting glaciers lead to more icebergs calving into the ocean. Freshwater influx disrupts ocean currents, affecting global climate. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities worldwide. The impact on icebergs highlights our planet's interconnected systems. Chapter 9. An oasis of life, wildlife and icebergs. While icebergs may appear stark and lifeless, they actually provide crucial habitat for a variety of animals in the polar regions. For some species, icebergs are an essential hunting ground. Imagine a polar bear, its white fur blending seamlessly with the snow, patiently waiting near an iceberg for a seal to surface for air. Seals, in turn, rely on icebergs for resting and giving birth. The ice provides a safe haven from predators and a platform for them to raise their pups. Birds too benefit from icebergs. Seabirds such as gulls and terns often gather on icebergs to rest and scavenge for food. Chapter 10. Shaping the seas. Icebergs and ocean currents. Icebergs are not just passive passengers drifting on the ocean's currents. They are, in fact, active participants in shaping the very currents that carry them. As icebergs melt, they release fresh water into the surrounding saltwater. This freshwater, being less dense than saltwater, rises to the surface, creating a vertical mixing of the water column. This mixing, in turn, influences the distribution of nutrients and heat in the ocean, impacting marine life and global climate patterns. The presence of icebergs can also alter the direction and strength of ocean currents. Outrow Guardians of the Deep, a final thought. As we've journeyed through this icy realm, we've witnessed the awe-inspiring power and unexpected beauty of icebergs. From their thunderous birth to their slow, graceful dance across the ocean, they are a testament to the forces that have shaped our planet for millennia. Icebergs are not just frozen giants. They are vital to our planet's health and hold many secrets yet to be discovered. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of icebergs, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating explorations of our natural world.